We will continue. Here, chemical classification of matter. Chemical classification of matter, broadly classified into two categories. That is pure substance and mixtures. Okay, what is a pure substance here? Okay, the substance having only one kind of particles. The substance having only one kind of particles are called pure substance. Example for pure substances: common salt, sugar, iron, copper, gold, etc. These pure substances classified into two types. They are classified into two types. That is elements and compounds. Okay, what is the element? An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into further simpler substances by physical or chemical methods are called elements. Elements are represented by symbols. Is represented by symbols. Okay, symbol is a shortcut notation of an element. The shortcut way of representation of an element is called symbol. The term symbol was introduced by John Jacob Berzelius. It was given by some guidelines. That is, the first guideline is the symbol of an element with a single letter must be capital letter. The symbol of an element with two letters, first letter is a capital, second letter is always small letter. Okay, what is the definition of symbol? Shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. Elements here, hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Helium, He, etc. Okay. For the guidelines of symbols, the first guideline is, or rule number 1 is, the symbol of an element with a single letter, it must be capital letter. For example, here hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen is capital H. Boron. B. Carbon. C. Nitrogen. Capital N. Chlorine. Capital F. Phosphorus. Phosphorus P. Sulfur. Yes, etc. And second guideline is, that second rule is how to write the symbol of an element. Second guideline is the symbol of an element with two letters. First letter is capital and second letter is always small. Always small letter. Example here, helium. Helium He. Lithium Li. Beryllium Be. Magnesium Mg. Aluminium capital L, capital A, small l. Okay, here magnesium capital M, small g. Silicon capital S, small I. Chlorine capital C, small l. Argon capital A, small r, etc. These are all guidelines. These guidelines of symbols was given by John Jacob Berzelius. Thank you. I hope it is clear.